Ready to ditch the ordinary and jump into a career at a company that's known for having a lizard mascot? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Geico careers, outlining your path from job seeker to Geico employee. First, let's explore common roles. Geico offers diverse opportunities, including sales, where you'll connect with customers and sell insurance policies; claims, where you'll investigate and process insurance claims; and customer support, where you'll assist existing policyholders. Consider your strengths and what excites you. Understanding the job market is key. Head over to Geico's official career website. Utilize online job boards such as LinkedIn. These sites provide valuable insights into current job openings, required skills, and application deadlines. Review job descriptions carefully. They often outline the specific skills, experience, and educational qualifications Geico is looking for. Pay close attention to the application process. Many positions involve online applications with resume and cover letter submissions. Be prepared to highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific job description. Sometimes, after application submission, you may get an interview or tests such as personality assessments or skill-based assessments. Geico's interview process typically includes multiple rounds. Prepare for behavioral questions by practicing the STAR method: situation, task, action, result to showcase your qualifications. Research Geico's company culture. Geico emphasizes teamwork and diversity. Dress professionally, even for virtual interviews, and ensure a quiet setting. This company's commitment to its people is often highlighted, providing growth and career progression. Good luck with your Geico job search. #Geico Careers #job search.